Welcome to another BMC video. Today we will review how to create reports using values of event custom slots. This information is stored in the table event extend slots O. As we can see, different custom slot names and its values are stored on different rows. What can we do to display all custom names and values for same event on single row? First, it's necessary to create a SQL query at database level to test displaying the data on a single row, to then create the desired report on a Smart Reporting tool. Let's obtain the different custom slot names by applying a distinct on the previous query. Now, here is the example of the query to use. Let's copy the values we have and include them in the query to distinct the fields and its values. The first ones are the names as we want to be displayed when dragging the fields in columns when creating the report in Smart Reporting. Then we need to add the conditions, so the query considers only the values of the custom slot names. Let's see how the data is displayed now. As we can see, the data is displayed on same row for same event ID versus how it is displayed originally. Now let's go to Smart Reporting. I will create a copy of the out-of-the-box view, device, metrics, and events. The next step is to use a virtual table. Add a name for the virtual table and include the SQL that was previously created. Click on the button Validate SQL. As we can see, the SQL is valid. We can now click on the button Save and Close. Now we need to enable the columns we want to use. The next step is to join this virtual table with the Event Extend Slots O table. The join type will be Inner Join. Then set the cardinality as 1 to many and use the field MC UEID from our virtual table equals to the same field that is on the table Event Extend Slots O. Finally, click on the button Save and Close. Now we can organize the fields coming from the virtual table. Click on the Prepare tab. Click on the plus icon and then on the option Add Edit Folders. Click on Add Field folder. Provide the desired name and click on the Add button. I will move the new folder near to the rest of the folders related to events. Now click on Submit. Search for one of the custom slot names. As we can see, by default the fields of the virtual table are placed inside the Dimensions folder. Clear the search and move the fields to the folder we just created. Let's publish the view. Provide the desired name, select the folder and subfolder on which we want to store the view, and click on Save and Publish. Finally, create a report based on this view. Add the fields into the Columns section. We can see data is displayed on one row as observed directly at database level. Another option is to edit the format of the fields to display only the values of each custom slot. This concludes the video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more videos.